Hey, it's DaveWeLike, and today we're checking out the Philips Lily XL. I wanted a spotlight on my house because it's Halloween time, so I wanted to create an atmosphere to it. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it's all about. So within the main box, there are two boxes. So in this one, we've got all of our accessories. In the next box, we've got the actual light, which is connected to a stand that can be mounted to the wall. So we'll connect the light to the power cord, which is pretty easy to do. You just connect them and then you screw them to make them tight. The stake does have an extender, so you can really get some good height. Okay, and just to show you the unboxing of the power supply box, this is it. Again, you have to buy it separately. Pretty straightforward that we're gonna go ahead and just connect one end to the other end and plug it on in. Lastly, you'll need the Hue bridge to sync it all up with your Wi-Fi network and app. So go ahead and pick one of those up if you haven't already. Within the Philips Hue app, we've got to label our light, so you can name it whatever it is that you want. It's important to say what room or what area this Philips Lily XL light is going to be in. That way you can control it separately from your other Philips Hue lights. These are my general areas where we can just very quickly on the home screen turn up or down the brightness. And when we click on that, we've got our color wheel, which also contains our brightness. So you can see that I've put the Philips Lily XL in my bushes just to kind of show you how much of the house it does light on up. And you can see basically it's the entire front, which is awesome. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments section below. And subscribe to this channel for more videos coming soon.